Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are fine today. I will share the recipe of crispy fritters. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gram flour 1 cup. Julienne potatoes 1 cup. Julienne onions 1 cup. Jalapenos 3. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chicken powder half teaspoon. It is optional. Salt to taste. And water around 1/4 cup. Take a bowl. Add onions, potatoes, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chicken powder, salt. Mix it very well. Now we are going to add gram flour. Again mix and then add water around 1/4 cup. Mix it very well. Now we are going to add jalapenos. Batter should be like this for crispy fritters. Meanwhile, take a pan and add cooking oil for frying. Heat up the oil on medium flame. You can also check if the oil is ready for frying or not by adding a small batch of batter. As you can see, our oil is ready. Add the batter with a spoon like this. Kindly check out the I button as I have recently uploaded some recipes related to Eid al-Adha. Cook it for around 1 minute and then flip it over. Cook 1 more minute on medium flame and see if the fritters are crispy golden brown. That means they are ready. Take them out and serve the crispy fritters or pakoras with tea and enjoy the rainy day. If you guys have any query about the recipe, let me know in the comment section below. If you like the recipe and enjoy the video too, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for all the latest uploads from Maryam's kitchen. And yes, give your precious feedback and comment. Thanks.